You ever love something so much that it drives you up the wall? This is the relationship with my Durango. I got a 2015 Durango. You guys meet my Durango. This is it needs some cleanup. I got a lot of things going on right now. Um, I'll walk you around and show you more of it in just a second. But this is the relationship with my Durango. I love this car. It is American muscle. I've done a few little things to it. It just hands down my favorite car I've ever owned. But it drives me up the wall because I swear, it's like a abusive relationship with this car. It's like as soon as things are going good, and it's like, oh yeah, you're gonna treat me right, and then it's like, nah, let me put you back in your place. It's so weird. Like I just I love this car, but I kind of hate it too, which is a weird spot to be in. Let me walk you around and show you the car, and then we'll get back here and talk about some of the things that I got to work on and why I'm doing a video like this now. So this is my Durango. It's 2015. It is RT. It's got the highest trim level package on it. It's a beautiful car, and it rides. It's all American muscle 5.7 Hemi. You know, it gets up and goes. And I've done a few things to it. I'll show you real quick. A few customizations. I tinted the headlight, tinted the front windshield. Don't mind all this nasty green. If you live in the South, you know what this means. Yeah, it's completely blacked out. I tinted the tail lights. Painted my calipers red. Got some upgraded to 22-inch wheels. We'll talk about those in a little bit. And then my favorite mod that I've done so far, 5-inch tips right now. Look at that, 5-inch. With that, all the catalytic, like the cats on the back are gone, and that big MIG kidney bean that these cars have is gone as well, and it lightens the ride a lot. It sounds amazing. It's not too loud. Well, maybe my neighbors don't think that. It's not crazy loud. It'll sound off if I make it sound off. But for the most part, it's pretty tame, but it sounds great. I get compliments all the time at how good it sounds with the pipes the way they are. And it's a great car. Love the car. But as I said, I kind of hate it too. And I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna tell you why. You ready? Let's talk about it. Okay, so I kind of hate the car for a few reasons. And I hate maybe be a strong word for this, but there is a part of me that every time something goes wrong with the car, I'm like, I should get rid of it. It is highly unlikely that I keep it. I'm always like, you ask my wife, my children, I should get rid of it. I should get rid of this car. It is doing nothing but causing me trouble. I'm telling you guys, it's like a bad relationship. Like every time it's doing good, I'm like, oh, I shouldn't be with this car. And then when it's doing good, it runs so well, it sounds so good. I get so many compliments. People are like, oh my God, that car is amazing. And to be honest with you, the reality is like, what car would I go to from this? Like, this is the perfect balance between like muscle, get up and go, aggressive, sounds amazing car. And then some of these newer cars, man, I don't know. They just don't do it for me. And so anyhow, it's like I'm telling you, it's a bad relationship. But a few things that I need to work on with this car, and the reason why I'm introducing this now is because I'm going to start a series of videos on my YouTube channel. I want to bring you along the journey when I'm doing this stuff. I love working on cars, and I love working on my car. I probably shouldn't work on it as much as I do, but I love doing mods and trying new things. I love working on my cars, especially when I'm not fixing something, when I'm just making it better. But there are a few things I have to fix on this car. Like right now, I'm sitting here. I cannot turn the car on. I mean, I can turn it on, but even if I turn it on, the AC wouldn't work because yesterday, while driving, me and my son, the AC just decided to blow the fuse, burned it out. And the truth is, it's the blower motor. I have to change it. So that's a simple job. I want to bring you along, show you how it's done. A thing I got to do with the tail light, and I want to tell you that story and how I got there. And I got to fix the fuel pump. I changed the fuel pump, but I changed the wrong one. That's the whole story. I want to tell you about that and show you how to maybe get your fuel tank out and fix your fuel pump. A couple other things like the tail light I gotta fix. But beyond that, I want to do some fun things too. I want to do some mods, and I want to get your opinion on what mods I should try or what I should do or what would you like to see in the middle of all this. And so we're starting a new series of videos called I'm going to call it Garage 252. So do me a favor, drop a comment below. Let me know what mods you think I should try. What would you like to see? We're going to do a sound test. I'm gonna let you hear them pipes. You're gonna love them. There's a few things I want to do to this car. I want to upgrade some stuff. It's great. Like, this is the top of the line package. It's got TVs, it's got everything, but it was top of the line for 2015. So I wanna change some stuff. Like, I got CarPlay, but I got it in a weird way, and I just want to change all that. So let me know below what you think I should do. Like, hit me up with some comments if you got some mods you've tried, if you got some ideas. The first video we're gonna be dropping soon. And so yeah, meet the Bishop is what it's called. The Bishop is his name. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this, and come back and check me out. Hit the subscribe button, please, if this kind of content you want to check out. All right, peace.